Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can download Among Us on your PC or laptop. So the first step is you just need to open up any browser that you are using and search for Steam. Once you search for this, go for the first one and make sure to install Steam on your PC or laptop. Once you have installed your Steam, you just need to make sure to sign up with your account. Once you do so, open this application and now you just need to search for Among Us in the search tab on the top right corner. Once you search for this, go for the first one, tap on this, and now this is how it will looks like. So you just need to scroll down until you see this add to cart button. So tap on this and now you need to open up your tab and go for this purchase for myself. So it is about $1.7. So you just need to select your payment method from which you are willing to pay and tap on this continue button. After that, you just need to put all of your payment details and simply purchase your game. Once you have purchased the game, go into your library on the top left corner. Once you are in, you just need to look for your Among Us game and then you will be able to install the Among Us in your desired folder. So that was the process of how you can download Among Us on your PC or laptop.